Hello friends, it's Melissa and Bella from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today is my favorite time of the week. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Our host is Sunday Dawn, and there's an amazing list of creators in the playlist. Please check out everyone's channel, especially Sunday Dawn. And today is kind of a crazy day. I am doing little things that needs done around the house. No one big project or one project at all. I'm just going around doing this and that needs done. Couple things I guess would be considered spring cleaning because I cleaned the fans but a lot of it is just things that needs done, including I fed the doggies. That was one of our projects because their bowl was a little empty. So it was just a bunch of little projects that needed to get done to make things run a little more smoothly. I hope you enjoy the video and if you're going to do something today, it's okay. Do a couple little projects that just needs to get done. Whether it's feeding the puppies, doing a couple loads of laundry, or cleaning out the sink and getting a load of dishes done. It's okay. Just do something small and it'll make you feel like you've accomplished something. I clean the ceiling fans because it's getting to the time. It's getting warmer in Ohio, and we don't want an avalanche of dust in whatever room those ceiling fans are in because you know how they collect dust all winter. So have a good week. Oh, by the way, we did do our hoarder games. We put 5 items up on the marketplace, each of us, which we haven't done that in a few weeks because I got food poisoning and it was his birthday. So a few weeks we took the couple weeks off, but we are back at it, and he sold 4 items and I sold 6 items to get out of our house and make a little extra cash. But I didn't win because he made more money than I did with his 4 and than I did on my 6. But it's just nice to have those out of the house. And even Thad said, I can see extra space. The house is opening up. In other words, we don't have as much clutter, which is a good thing. Let's start our whoosh machine. I had to get Thad new black socks and jeans, so I'm going to do a whole load of them. It's that time of year again. It's time to dust your ceiling fan. It's getting warmer here in Ohio, and we don't want a dust avalanche. So we got to get it dusted. You know, a dust avalanche. You know what a dust avalanche is? When you turn these blades on and they start flopping around and mountains of dust falls off the blades all over your house. That's a dust avalanche. Here in the bedroom's oyster words. And the funny thing is we don't use this one very much. Okay, let's get some stuff cleaned up. I had to getting some new containers because a lot of my containers is missing lids or just missing. Just working on getting through some of this stuff so I can spray out my sink. This can go in the trash. Got my smiley face. I'm going to just wipe out the sink. Okay, now we're going to add our dish pod to our dishwasher and get this started. These are going in to be washed. Okay, we're going to start our jean load, get it going, and start our next load of laundry. So 2 loads of laundry. Last but not least, we got to feed these 2 precious babies because their dish is empty. I didn't know my closet was full of seed potatoes, but I guess that's the time of year, huh?